Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can delete or remove your nickname in Instagram chat. So how you're going to do it? Watch this video till the end and let's find out. First, you need to open your Instagram application. You need to then go to the chat box, and in chats you will find the chat that you change your Instagram nickname there. Suppose I did it here, so I will go to that chat and then tap on here on the name and then go to the nicknames, and here I change the nickname of this person, so I want to delete that nickname. So I will just erase the nickname completely and then tap on done. As you can see, now it has changed to the original account name of this particular person. So if you changed your nickname, so you can do the same with your nickname and you can erase it, and then it will be changed to your username or any name that you selected for your account. So guys, this is how you can remove or delete the nickname in Instagram chat. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.